website, which is turnitin.com. So you click on login. So you put in your email address and password. Then you click on login. So I already have it here. So you click on premium, which is account for this particular product. So you click on premium. So once you do that, okay, it's loading. So once you do that, you'll see slot. So then you click on submit. Any of these, you can use any of these. Then you click on the name. Let me say test. Or let me just put it testing. Then that's the solution title, the name of your work. So it can be anything. So you click on document. So you choose the document you want to upload. Then you upload the document. So this is the title of the document. So it's loading, processing. That's okay. Please confirm your work. So you click on confirm. They say congratulations, your submission is complete. So all you just have to do is just to click on return to assignment list. So I use the second slot. So it's loading at a moment. So here it is. So you change processing. So you refresh your this work. Just you can right click and just click on load after like a minute or 2 minutes, depending on the number of pages you work with. So you just once I click on load, so let's see. Okay, then show. So let me load again. Yeah. So just a moment. Yeah. So yeah, it is. It's the same work. I didn't do any correction on the work. So you click on view. Once you click on view, this page will this will pop out. Then you check the work. So here you can use this option. Just click on this place here. So it will show you your sources where it shows you plagiarized. So here it says over 2%. So you can click on it to see the places. So it's showing here that I plagiarized here. Yeah, this was plagiarized. So once you see something like this, you can take this one, then paraphrase or do whatever you have. Just do your necessary correction. Then that does it. So you can go to the next. You can just be clicking on it. Then we're going to the next. You change the sources. Then you can click on the second source there. So yeah, so you can do that. Then also if you click on this option that says download, so you can download the current view, which is this plagiarized document. So you can download this or you can download the original work. So those are the two things you can do here. Yeah. So I'm going back now. So you can also download here too. Then you can click on download. So you can also download the original submitted file here. Then also the PDF format of the work. Yeah, so you can do that as well. Also, you can resubmit this work. So here, if you click on resubmit, something's popping up saying you can resubmit three submissions. You're allowed to resubmit 3 times. Then after that, you have to wait for 24 hours after you can submit again. So yeah, if you want to resubmit, just click on OK. Then you resubmit your work again. That's after you have done the corrections. So that does it. Yeah, thank you.